Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to very quickly show you how to set up your Binance Smart Chain. You will need this especially when you're getting tokens that are based on the BSC chain. So if you look here, I've installed Metamask and you can download this at metamask.io. You're running on two nets, Ethereum mainnets, that's for ERC20 tokens. And if I click on this, you see here we don't have any other network. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding the Binance Smart Chain. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be also including this link in the video below, or below this video in the description. What you need to do is then come and click on this download guide. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to walk through together on how to set this up. Okay, so this is a very good manual guide on how to actually set this up. But for this purpose, we're going to be needing this specific information over here for the network settings. So let me quickly go back to Binance, to MetaMask. What I need to do then is click on this section over here and then click on add network. And what I'm now going to be doing is I'm going to be adding this information I showed you. So the first is I'm going to copy and paste this. This is the Binance Smart Chain. Let me quickly copy that over. So we're good to go there. The new RPC URL, I'm going to copy this address. That's right click with the mouse and copy link address. And I'm going to copy that in. We're done there. Chain ID is going to be 56. Perfect. And BNB is going to be the symbol. Okay. And the block explorer, once again, copy link address and copy that in. And then I'm going to click on save. And if you look over here, we have now switched to the Binance Smart Chain. So now I have the Ethereum mainnet. This would be the address I'd need for the ERC20 tokens. And this Binance Smart Chain is specifically the address that we're going to be, or the network that we're going to be using for our BSC tokens, like the SwapIt token, which is going to be dropped this month, and also there's another token called Attaboy, which is also going to be added this month. So you'll be needing to go through this process to be able to receive those tokens accordingly. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get future updates once I upload them. Have a nice one.